Ever worried about missing a smoke alarm while away? Traditional alarms only beep at home. What if you're not there? Emergencies can happen anytime, anywhere. You need peace of mind even when you're out. Meet the X-Sense Smart Smoke and CO Detector combo. It sends instant app alerts for smoke or carbon monoxide. Get notified on your phone, wherever you are. No more worrying about missed alarms or low batteries. Optional 24/7 monitoring dispatches help in just 3 seconds. Share device access with up to 12 family members. Before, uncertainty, missed alarms, family left in the dark. After, real-time alerts, fast response. Everyone stays informed. Enjoy 10 years of protection with dual sensors and replaceable battery. Simple setup. Just connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Protect your loved ones with smarter, connected safety. Get X-Sense today, because safety just makes sense.